The fear will no longer block my way. My heart finally opens very wide. Then I will become the smile of the earth, of the flower, of the rain, of the wind and the sun. And one day, perhaps, in a very small child, I will open my eyes to the wonders of life, and a little more loving, and a little more smiling. I will continue this wonderful way.
Time for the small ones to go out and play and practice. Brother Fabi, are you there? Please come and take the children. Attachment. Follow Brother Fabi. Good morning, dear Sangha. Today is August the 16th in the year 2005, and we are in Stonehill College on our last day of the retreat. The purpose of meditation is to touch reality and to understand our true nature. If we learn, if we know how to die, if we know how to die, and then we will know how to live. And birth and death are linked to each other. And without understanding about death, we cannot understand about life. And today, let us practice looking deeply together into the topic of birth and death. And this is not really a talk, this is a session of collective practice. And please participate fully into the practice. This summer in Europe, the Portuguese suffer very much about because of fire. And the fire has destroyed so much. I'd like to invite you to observe, to look deeply into the nature of a flame. To understand the birth and death of a flame. If we are capable of understanding the birth, the coming into being of a flame, the death, the ending of a flame, we would be able to understand our true nature, to understand our birth and our death. This is a matchbox. Produced in the United States of America. And if you look into the matchbox, you can see the flame. We know that the flame is there, hidden somewhere in the matchbox. We cannot say that the flame is not there. It is somewhere there, somehow there. It has not manifested, but we cannot qualify it as non-existing. In the month of April, the farmers around Plum Village, they plowed the land. They planted the seed of sunflowers. And in the month of May, if you come to Plum Village, you don't see any sunflowers. But that is not true. The sunflowers are already there. And they need some more conditions in order to manifest. So the heat of June will help the sunflowers to manifest. And if you come to Plum Village in the month of July, you see that Plum Village is surrounded by sunflowers. So when the sunflowers have not manifested themselves, you cannot say that they do not exist. The same thing is true with the flame. You don't see the flame, but you cannot say that the flame is not there. It is hidden there. It needs one or two conditions in order, one or two more conditions in order to manifest. And that is true with everything. With a flower, with a cloud, with a child. We know that this hall is filled with television, radio signals. Because we don't have a television set, that is why we cannot perceive